This is the procedure for circulating our new laptops. We have 5 new laptops that are part of a Public Service Commission grant. So when someone says, I would like to check out a laptop, what do? We're going to pull one of the cases that has a laptop in it, and we're going to open the case. First, we're going to check that everything is present inside the case. We have a power cord that is marked with our Waupaca Library name. This power cord comes in 2 parts, so we're going to make sure both pieces are there. We also have an instruction sheet that's laminated. We have a survey that we need the patron to complete when they return the laptop. We have a mouse that's marked Waupaca Library, and we have our laptop. Identifying information is on the bottom of the laptop, as is our barcode, and this is laptop number 1. All 5 are numbered for ease of identification. So before you check out the laptop to the patron, you're going to mention the survey to them. Make sure they know they must complete it before they return their item, or they will be receiving a phone call so that we can answer the questions over the phone. So before checking out the laptop, we also want to turn on our computer. And what we're checking for here is that our computer does turn on and is ready for use. It's that simple. It's going to take it a minute to power up. There is no need to log in. There's no password for using the computer. It just pops right up and is ready to go. So it takes a few moments for the icons to appear in the taskbar here. And it'll be a little slow until those are all loaded. And then we will be able to connect to the internet here using our globe. And we'll scroll up to Library Guest, select that, tell it to connect. And they're on the internet. Each laptop does have deep freeze on it, and so you can let them know that if the laptop shuts down during their project, everything will be erased. It's important for them to save as they go and to not turn off the laptop unless they've saved their items to a flash drive or to the cloud. So once you've identified that the item is working, you can go ahead and shut it down. And as soon as it's shut down, you can pack it all up for the patron to take. So I like to tuck the laptop under this mesh strip at the bottom for a little bit more security. And then there's just enough room to fit the mouse and the power cord kind of around the edges. And then there's that survey and the instruction sheet. This does include the cost of replacement as well as the cost of replacing a cord or the mouse or the case. So we'll secure the laptop in the case and zip it up. And we of course have checked it out to the patron using the barcode on the bottom of the laptop, and it's all ready to go. So what do we do when someone returns the laptop? It's important that they bring it into the building instead of putting it in the book drop. And when it comes back, we need to check it before we check it in. So once again, we're going to open the laptop case. We're going to check to see if they've completed the survey. If not, we can ask them right then and there, or we can call them over the phone to complete that survey. We're going to pull out our laptop and turn it on, see if it works. So if the laptop upon return does not check out, what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in to a power source. It might just have lost its battery, so we'll just plug it in here. just wait just a moment, and then we'll go ahead and try it again. And of course, once we see that the laptop is successfully able to turn on and be used, you can check the item in and the person is free to go. Now we will have a charging case so that we can put all of the laptops in to be charged. When they're returned, we're going to make sure that we take a look at the battery and see if it's ready to go. If not, we'll go ahead and charge that item before we let it go out to the next patron.